Okay guys, so today I have the day off and I'm getting my car ready for our trip to Halifax. So all I gotta do really is change out my steering rack bushings, which as you can see here are a little shot. So just pull the rack back, set these in, and that's it for me. And then my dad's got Callum's bumper pretty well painted. Gonna sand it down and give it one more coat. But yeah, water sand, and then the cars should be pretty well good to go. Change some tires and that's it. So let's get to this. Okay, our track repair is out. Our quarter bushing, another full one. Get the rack set back. So let's open these bad boys up. These are fresh bushings, looking good. I'll slide these over and update you when they're going back in. All right, new bushings in there. It's literally so simple. There's the one bolt hiding up there, and then there, 4 bolts out. Change them out, get rid of these ones, and we're ready to go now for Halifax. Callum's car. I'm gonna sand the bumper a little bit, give it another coat, and that's it. Let's see what's going on. Okay guys, so we just got home from up north, and this is our last day to prep the cars. Callum just sanding his bumper, wet sanding it. It's a little, I mean, it kind of feels like a bed liner.
Yeah,
Here's good. It's not the greatest. I mean, yeah, here's nice and flat.
But like, look at it, yeah.
Yeah, it's not perfect, but it'll have to do for Halifax, because the cars are getting picked up tomorrow at about 9 p.m.
Yeah.
So we'll get these on. Nothing much has to be done to my car. It's up on the hoist right now, so I just got to put my calves in the rear, and we'll fill up gas on the way to drop off the cars to put on the big truck, and that's it, man. Should be all set.
Putting some new Decnals on.
Nice Decnal.
Fresh new Decnal. Gotta get some
Got
heat
my
in it.
Decnal on. It looks good.
You have yours on the front?
I'm really happy with my Decnal.
Oh, mint.
Yeah, it actually looks mint.
That's sick.
I love it.
I got mine mounted lower.
It's got JDM.
Yeah. All right, what's the time?
It's 8:20, 8:30.
30. T-minus 30 minutes.
Oh, you know,
And these cars are getting loaded on transport.
Some kind of trailer.
Yeah, we don't even know yet.
Yeah.
So,
It's just
Some kind of trailer.
yeah,
We'll see what happens.
And we'll see him in 4 days?
something like that.
Oh, God.
Yeah, we're gonna throw an air tag in one of the cars and then just to
We're a
watch
little
it.
stressed. I want to
Yeah.
have my phone in my car. Just find my iPhone. This is too scary. I don't like this.
So all the cars are loaded up, all the gear, all the tires. We normally don't pack the cars this tight, but it's free transportation.
Yeah. So, less weight's better.
Yeah. So cars are looking good. Mine's running a little weird. Got a boost leak that we can't figure out, but we'll roll with it. And Spencer's cars over there.
Solo rider.
Yeah. All right.
Everyone's jumping in their cars. Everyone is super sketched out to just not trailer their cars, so they're all freaking out. So we're all rolling out to the meetup spot for where we're gonna load up the cars, and the next clip you'll see is we're all, they should be all in the trailer.
Okay. This is our ride.
They weren't expecting an enclosed.
Hey, you
Dude.
can't post this till freaking Friday. This is freaking.
We were stressing because it was gonna be an open car trailer. We got a damn stacker.
This is the best surprise ever.
This is Christmas Day.
That's ridiculous. Dude.
I want to go with them.
Look at the size of this thing. Holy man. Man, I should have washed my car before. I left my car dirty because I thought it was gonna be disgusting when it gets there. And look at this.
Okay, so we're loading up Evan's car right now. This truck is so sick.
Yeah,
It's a
this is
friggin'
our
stacker.
new truck.
Yeah, we wish we could afford
Just put a
this.
down payment on it. 0 down.
Yeah. So Evan's going on first. No problem. Wow, no wood, nothing. So you get when you spend the big bucks.
My exhaust is gonna scream.
Damn, bro. It's floating. That is slick. Yeah, we'll do an oil change. That's so crazy. Oh, Evan has to change his pants after that. That's a hill you don't want to roll off.
Chop, he's like, it'll make your life a little easier.
Wow.
First car in.
It looks tiny. Oh my god, like they're far away. Next car is Callum's, and then Arlen goes in last. Yes, we wanted the chalk behind his wheel. He said, yeah.
One more.
Here we go. These trailers are incredible. Oh my god. That's it. They're all tucked away.
There she goes.
We'll catch them in Nova Scotia, Halifax.
This one reminds me of Halifax.
This guy's just staring at his phone as we're filming the outro.
No, this reminds me of Halifax.
Oh, goon. What? Dude, come, you gotta do that while the truck drives away. You have to do that while the truck drives away. This is the rig taking her. Arlen probably already showed it, but this thing's huge. Like there's Callum's car right in the middle. Harlan's back there. Evan's right in the front. And she is on her way to Halifax. Come, you gotta do the clip. Run.
Halifax!
Alright, we'll see you there. Ciao.